think it's great to have ABB, bringing that special truck, electric truck to the city to deliver the car. In the ABB Formula E Championship, we try to connect the mobility with the technology.
We have a long history in electric mobility, from trains, trams and trolley buses. So this is a natural evolution and people are really excited about it. They can basically free up space in the cities. Everyone is very excited. I think we will have large crowds actually on Saturday here in Bern.